Hey Selldoners, today I'm going to show you how to edit a section that is already built by external AI coding. From here, see the sections tab here, and you here see the basic one. Just simply drag and drop. This is the section that is specifically for external coding. If you click here, you will see the code and the change properties icon here in this toolbar. This is the place, view tab. You can copy paste the code that you generated, for example, by ChatGPT, Gemini, and so forth. And then from here, you can change all of the elements like color, font size. I'm going to show you on this section. Just simply click here inside the red box, change properties. Now you see you can easily change all of the elements, including font size, font color, font weight, image, icons, and etc. From here, as you see, for example, in order to change the background color, simply just select this one or whatever you want. You can change the title and all of the information from here. For example, the card radius. Radius is for changing the the corner of squares, I mean image, buttons. For example, it is in pixel. If it is 0, so it means the image and the card and the buttons and all of the shapes, they are sharp. You see, here it is 0. These are the cards. If I change it to, for example, 20, you see the corners, they are rounded now. Okay, now let's see. Card background, they are related to card. Favorite icon. You need to, if you want to use icon, you need to go to fonts.google.com/icons, and from here search for your own icon. For example, for marketing, I want this icon. Simply press this one and scroll down. Easily copy code. Back here, just simply replace. As you see, this is a favorite color. Sorry, um, favorite color, favorite border. Just paste. You see, it is campaign. Now let's go to the other important sections, like here. These are the cards. For example, this tab is the first card. The second tab is for a second card. Third tab for third card, and so forth. And you can also add more cards to this section. We have rating count, and so forth. And then Control S, or press this one, save to see the changes. For example, let's see what happened in live mode. As you see, now the background is purple, the icon just changed, and other things. Now we can also simply save these sections. Just click here, you see the save button. After a few seconds, you can write something for title like 3 cards, 3 cards, 3 reviews, or whatever that is suitable for you. For example, you can write also tags. Now I just want to save this section, just add, and it will be added to this section, so you can use it for further design. Let's use this one, just drag and drop again. Yes, that's it. Thanks for watching this tutorial. See you soon.